We have a figure of 323 cases from our most active segment, that is between 15 to 59 years. We therefore encourage these groups to rededicate their energies in observing the containment effort. I will read out to you now the distribution of cases by county. Homa Bay has one confirmed case, Kajiado 3, Kakamega 1, Kiambu 5, Kilifi 9, Kitui 2, Kwale 1, Mandera 8, Mombasa 97, Nairobi 241, and between Nairobi and Mombasa cases, they account for 90% of our cases. Nakuru 2, Siaya 2, Uasin Gishu 1, and Kwale 1. That brings it to the 374 confirmed cases that we are reporting as of today.